we have a face-off on this because it's become a political dispute. Questions should be raised to both. To the Congress, which has not declared it a national calamity for a long time, represented by Kirip Chalia, and to the BJP, which is not doing it now. But I think it is more necessary to question the BJP. So, Sudesh, there are about 3 million people who have been affected. This is not a joke. Why are we waiting? Are you waiting for more people to perish? Why can't you declare it a national calamity? I don't understand the difficulty.
You see, pending the declaration of national calamity, already relief measures are in full
No, why
swing.
pending? Why can't it be announced?
You see, it is something which the government has to decide.
Why there is nothing more to know. There is nothing more to know.
No. You see,
how many more lives will be lost before Assam's problem becomes the nation's problem? You see, I'm looking at the pure symbolism, not even the... No, I want to know why not. I want to know this time the floods have been compounded by spells of heavy rain. I want you to tell me something. The people will watch this in Assam. I want to know what is the great problem. What is your gigantic bureaucracy?
Let me tell you, Arnab. First make the facts straight. You see, already Assam State Disaster Management Authority has clarified that the center, that under the 15th Finance Commission, has committed 85,885,800.
Why can't you declare it a national calamity?
Out of which, no, it's a question that
the Brahmaputra river is overflowing.
In confirmation with
28 districts out of 33 are severely affected. Will it become a national calamity, Sudesh, only when the remaining 5 districts are also submerged? No, I'm sorry, I'm asking you. 28 out of 33 districts are submerged, viewers. Are you going
to rehabilitate?
You are telling me what you have done. I am asking you what you have not done. You are telling me, Sudesh,
money is not a problem.
Money is not a problem. I want your sensitivity. I want to know why not.
Developmental activities are picked up in the
I want to know why not. Kirip is on the debate. The demand has been growing, isn't it? I mean, the demand has been there all the time. I want to understand why not. The All Assam Students Union is asking for it.
Why not?
Why not? What is the problem?
It will be done.
Okay, so let me ask you, if the national capital, it may appear insensitive, but if the entire national capital was submerged, would you declare it a national calamity? That means if Delhi would be submerged, you would care, but if Assam is submerged, you couldn't care less.
It's not that.
It's that. No, that if Delhi was submerged, if 80% of Delhi was submerged, would you call it a national calamity?
Congress did in the last
Kirip is on the debate because of limited time. Kirip, to respond.
Nothing has happened. Development in Assam has not taken place. You have to address the root of the problem. But
Kirip, to respond, because I have limited time, I am opening the debate.